Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with all of you how I keep my wooden spatulas clean. Because time to time you need to clean them. While we are cooking, you can see the color has changed. The wooden spatulas tend to absorb the fat and the gravy also. The yellowish color is due to the spices. So it's very important to keep them clean. So today I'm sharing how I do it, and if you have any more ideas the way you do it, do share in the comment section so that I can also follow the same tips. And thank you for liking my videos. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click all option from the drop down menu so that you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. As you can see here, we have some wooden spatulas which we use for cooking. They are greasy and yellowish in color. So time to time we have to clean them, which is very important. So today I'll show you the way I do it. These chopsticks I use to separate the grains of biryani and pulao. So even these I'm going to wash. Now the spatulas, silicone spatulas, just wanted to tell you that do not buy the detachable ones, because the food particles get stuck inside. Always go for the ones that are straight in one piece. These are the best. So never buy these kind of spatulas. Now pour water in a pot, about 3/4, little less than the brim. Add diluted liquid detergent that we use to wash the vessels, about 1 tablespoon. Juice of 1 lemon. Squeeze the juice and drop the peels also. Lemon will give nice fragrance also to the spatulas. Add half teaspoon of baking soda. Lower the flame while you are adding the soda, or else the foam will rise and overflow. Slowly later you can increase it. Now immerse all the spatulas into this liquid. You can also wash your silicone spatulas this way. Now bring it to a boil and reduce the flame and let it simmer for some time. After a while, say about a minute or so, change the side. Now immerse the other side of the spatula. We'll let this also simmer for about half a minute or so. You can see the water is changing the color. It's getting very dirty and greasy. Now switch off the gas and set it aside for half an hour. Now we can rinse them after scrubbing. Discard this water. I do this once a month. Depending on the usage, you have to decide when to clean them. Not scrub all the spatulas. You don't have to use any detergent again. Just clean them very well with the scrubber. Now this is done. Rinse them under the running water very well. Here we go. The washing is done. Now you spread them on a clean towel so that they dry properly. If you have the facility of the sunlight, you can place them directly under sunlight. That's much better. Or else you can leave them under the fan. I've left them overnight. In between, you turn the side ones so that both sides get dried evenly and very well. Make sure they are completely dry before you store them back in the drawer. So this is one of the important tips to follow to maintain proper hygiene and cleanliness in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Check out the other series of tips and tricks as well. Stay tuned and have a nice day.